Hi, this is Dan Dempsey. Here we are again. This is the 18th, it's Friday, and I got this in the mail today, and this is from the Attorney General, and this is about the recall of Randy Dorn. And when you do a recall, they have to come up with a recall synopsis, and that's tasked to the Attorney General. In this case, it's Allison Zip, the Deputy Solicitor General. And so that's this paper here. And I've got a whole bunch of other papers here, but the one that I really want to draw your attention to is simply Exhibit B, if I can find Exhibit B here, a pile of paper. And Exhibit B is this one, Exhibit B. And it talks about, this is 200 words, maximum 200 words, and this comes from the Attorney General. Ballot synopsis of the recall charge. Randy Dorn, Superintendent of Public Instruction. The charge that Randy Dorn, as Superintendent of Public Instruction of the State of Washington, committed misfeasance, malfeasance, and or violated his oath of office alleges, 1. That Superintendent Dorn was required by RCW 28A 65.071 to submit a report regarding provisionally adopted revised state essential learning academic requirements to the Education Committees of the House of Representatives and the Senate by January 1st, 2011, but the report was not submitted until January 31st, 2011. And it goes on and talks about a couple of other things too, but you can read, and I'll scan this and let you read it. A lot of people are wondering about, gee, how did Seattle get to be in that big mess where they had to get rid of the superintendent and so on? Well, it's pretty much, that's the way things are done around here. There's a whole lot of violating of the laws that takes place on a pretty regular basis. We don't hold anybody accountable. So Mr. Dorn, he had a task to do, and he did it 30 days late, and nobody seems to care. It's all kind of part of this big scam of, oh, the sky is falling, education's in a horrible mess. Here, let the billionaire boys fix it for you with all these great plans, none of which have any real data behind them to make anybody think they'd actually work. Who investigated anything? The other thing that's really disturbing, though, is our governor, Christine Gregoire. We have this enormous financial problem right now, but she's regularly violated state law in terms of inadequately funding education. And I'm talking about inadequately funding the classrooms. We got plenty of money for administrators, and she's even in favor of more, basically blowing money outside the classroom. And anyway, so I believe I'll be recalling her pretty soon too. I just have to get my documentation in order as far as how she has violated the state constitution. So that's kind of it for right now. And this Dorn recall is going to take place, the sufficiency hearing will take place in Pierce County Superior Court because he's a resident of Pierce County. So that's something to look forward to. And it should be happening, you know, by end of this month, beginning of next month. So have a good day. Bye.